If you really want to learn how to ask for your refund on 1688, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to ask for your refund from any supplier on 1688. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 server or on Pindodo, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement coach, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to ask for a refund if you mistakenly place order on 1688. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you access your profile. On getting to your profile, you have to make sure the items should be here. That is, item purchased and not yet shipped. So I'm asking for a refund for these two items right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. Then I have to click on here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. So you can see the refund has been done successful. It's as simple as that. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close the pump up. Then you can see the item is no longer be right here. So for you to confirm your refund request, next thing you want to do is to head over to your Alipay. So let's check my Alipay. So here we go. So by the time I refresh my Alipay right here, so you see I have a balance plus of 145 yuan. So let's check to my notification on Alipay. So my Alipay notification, I'm going to click on here. So I'm going to click on the notification right here. So you can see a refund. So you can see a refund notice of 145 yuan. So for this particular items link right here. So this is how you can simply ask for a refund on 1688 eventually if you mistakenly place order. I hope you really got value for this video, and if you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.